Hi, my name is Banner Swing Pips, and this is Poppy Playtime Chapter 4. Let's get into it. Things on Poppy Playtime 3, 2, and 1. We have the story going. So I don't know what this is, Chapter 4. I haven't consumed any content about it. I don't know where I'm going. So this is going to be a brand new, fresh take on what I'm looking at here. So without further ado,
Call the number on screen and order your Joey today. Order now while supplies last. Shipping and handling costs may vary. Do not ingest or any products in the video box.
What's the time? This one! I don't open this one!
Oh my god! Wow!
I knew it! This is the one I wanted!
There's a card too, dear. Open the card.
We're going to the Playtime factory?
Even a little bit.
Everyone shut down the machine! Do you hear me? Somebody shut off that camera!
Poppy Playtime.
Hold on, Kissy! I'm coming! Listen, go on ahead. Don't wait for me. I won't leave Kissy behind, and I won't sacrifice our plan. Not because of... Because of me.
Okay.
Just... be careful. Down here, it's not like anything you've seen above. It's not trying to hide what it is. It's hell. And Playtime wanted it to be. But we have allies down here.
They wanted it to be this? Alright. I'm free to go. I'm free to go. God damn, this is HD. Oh, man. Oh.
There's still time to save the orphans. Follow the
What the
red silk, and look out for...
You're gonna leave me here? What the fuck? Alright. This is all right. Barrels. Alright, anyways. Okay. Launch, retract. Loading bay 1E. Okay. Oh, what? Well, okay. Up the stairs. This is nothing, bro. This is fine. Okay, here we go. Place the battery to the receiver. All right. Oh shit. Okay.
You're hiding more red from me. I know you are. Get here!
Okay. Alright, crafty corn. Okay. run, 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 run. Oh, they upgraded this shit. Okay. It's been a few months since I started playing Poppy Playtime. Took a break. Okay. Caves. E. Their cruel kingdom. Alright. Question. Red Smoke. Warren Bach employees. 1994. For those involved in the construction process, we caution those of the use of combustion of heat-based elements within the environments containing red smoke. Due to the nature of its composition, when exposed to the right pressure conditions, the gas has been tested and to react to high temperatures. While its use above can be regulated by environmental sensors and the correct filter equipment, the environment below are not yet afforded to such luxuries. Which is why an advanced piping leading from our production center above is first on our docket. With higher natural pressure below, the matter is all the more urgent. We caution against the use of lighters, lanterns, and other smaller objects that produce heat. For necessary machinery, we require the use of nitrous cooling equipment to stabilize vehicle temperatures. As always, we wish for quick and efficient work. However, we might help in this matter. Simply let us know. Our thanks, the science staff. Okay. All right, make sure we don't leave anything behind here. Let's see. Is this open? Yes, it is. Oh, shit. I don't want to sprint. Whoa. There's something in here? Well, everything's a fireball with this thing. Holy crap. We're going deeper into the caves. Yeah. Oh, yes. First try, baby. First try. Let's go. Yo, they did a really good job on this one. Oh, fuck. It's catnap. Oh, fuck. Hey, buddy. Shut your mouth. La-di-da-di-da. Maintenance! I'm here to fix... whatever this is. To prison. Where the devil never sleeps. Oh, God. Maintenance? 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 I'm here to fix stuff, I guess. Alright, let's... Oh, fuck. This is the dynamic? Okay, this is scary. Alright, this is some, Outlast bullshit. Maintenance? Maintenance? Okay. Oh, yes. Before... yes, bodies of toys. Okay, before we go over there, let's entertain ourselves here. Thank you for highlighting stuff. Thank you. Yes, I got it. I got my finger gun. I got my blicky, bro. Yes. Rope, oil, and other resources can be burnt on contact. Shoot at the wrong thing. Boom. And the results can be deadly. course, of course. Of course, of course, of course. Yes. Explosions. Yes, 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 yes. Uh-huh. Yes, 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 yes. Thank you for the advice. Oh. God. Jesus Christ. This fucking place is fucking fucked. Oh, man. Alright. Into the piles of dead bodies. Find the entrance to the prison. Oh, God. Holy crap. Whoa. Roaches.